in this video, we are going to see that if we want to fix the no sound issue on Google Chrome, let's say that you're playing some videos on YouTube or some other website and you don't hear any kind of sound, but the sound device is working perfectly. You can hear the music, you can hear all the videos that you have in your local computer, but not in Chrome. So here's how you can fix this. If you just check that the Chrome doesn't show the sound, so what you can do is just make sure you have turned this on, the speakers. Sometime it might be shown like this. So just make sure of that you just click on it once and you can adjust the volume afterwards. And just also make sure that you click on the settings after that and make sure that the right output device is selected. Otherwise they might be playing but you cannot hear the sound, especially if the speakers are selected as an output device for the sound. So I have made sure of that. If it is speaker, just shift to speakers, and that's a nice idea if you just want to check. And once we have done that, you can also go to the settings from the start menu. Just click on the system and click on sound. And here you just need to make sure that the choose where to play sound is selected to a specific speaker or a specific headphone that you are using. And also the volume should be on full like this. And if it works, that's perfect. Otherwise you can just go to the settings and tweak some settings. Just click on the three dots, click on settings, and here just go to privacy and security, scroll all the way down to the site settings. Here it is, and scroll all the way down again to the content, and here it says additional content settings. And here we can see sound. Sites can play the sound. It allows it. So just click on this. If it is set to don't allow sites to play sound due to whatever reason, you need to enable this. And also just check the customized behavior that no site should be added as not allowed to play the sound. So if there is, you can just remove that. And after that, it should work. Just restart your PC or restart the application, then play again. And if it still persists, you can just restart your PC all over again and this should work. If it doesn't, you can just mention down in the comments and I will see you in the next one.